Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to get WoW private server. Firstly, go to your internet browser. I choose Internet Explorer. Then go Google and search status list. Then take the first link with the wowstatus.net. Then click on it. Then you see this long, very long list of WoW private servers. Okay, now you can see the version and the location and language. Then you just pick one out. Let's just take a Breath of the Lich King. Okay, it doesn't matter. We'll take this one. Okay, then click on the name of it. Then you take this and you copy it like this. Copy. Then you see this is a fun server and stuff like that. It's maybe, hey, look at this, instant level 80 and arena items, arena flying mount and epic mount, yeah, you know. Then you go to account sign up page right here, and I already agree. Okay, then you just make an account. Then you when you're done with that, then you'll go to your where you have saved World of Warcraft. Click World of Warcraft, then you see this. Okay, then go to data, then go in use or in use in NGB. Then you go to realm list what the fuck. If it isn't open with Notepad, then you just say open with Notepad. Click on it and you put that banana beam thing on there, okay? Like that. Then you just save and you go back and then you just click WoW. Not go to the launcher or something, just go WoW, okay? I have put it World of Warcraft in a small screen so I just can go out and in it all the time. I think that's better. Let me see. Okay, that's how you do. And remember to subscribe and all that stuff. Bye bye.